What penny stocks to buy today? Reddit. Compared to investing in more established stocks, the potential return on your investment is much bigger when investing in microcap shares because the capacity for them to at least double is much higher and you do not need to start with a large amount of money. The flip side is that although the attraction of greater returns is there, the risks of losing more of your money is greater. Some of the pros and cons of investing in small cap shares are listed below. Even though you are able to start off with a small amount of money, you need to carry out a thorough background check of the company you want to invest in, probably more so than other types of investments. Performing a solid background check on a small cap stock is not as easy as it seems because the rules and regulations that govern these types of shares are not the same for the more established shares, as they are listed on over-the-counter exchanges such as the Pink Sheets and OTCBB, and therefore the information available can be limited and not relevant to what you are looking for. One thing is for sure is that there are always an abundance of small cap shares available to invest in, which allows you as the investor to diversify your investments even if you do not start with a lot of money, because the name small cap stock comes from the concept that you only need a few cents in order to invest. Due to the nature of the risks associated with microcap stocks, you must always ensure you diversify your investments in order to spread out this risk. Sometimes the low liquidity of small cap shares can work against you, because if you have purchased a large position, that is a lot of shares, and you need to sell them all at once because you need the money, there may not be enough buyers at the price you want to sell and you end up selling the shares at a discount and losing money. Sometimes the lack of information about the shares can make it tricky to find good stocks to invest in, and if you are offered shares in stock at a price that sounds too good to be true, then it usually is right, and if you invest in these companies you will most likely lose money. You can use penny shares as a valuable tool to allow you to learn about the stock market without investing significant amounts of money, and you may find once you get started you are quite good at it and start to make a lot of money.